Buddy Wolfang here. Today is Monday, July the 8th. In my video this morning for my lunchtime walk, I said July the 9th, I think. Oh, I don't know. It's just another day. Day of hassles. Nah, I'm not going to say hassles. There's always an obstacle. That's the word. There's always an obstacle in the way. Can never be smooth sailing. No, can't have that. No. But you know what? Nobody ever said life would be simple. Life does not come with a manual. Here's your manual. As soon as you're born, everybody would get a manual. It's a hot day here in Cincinnati, Ohio. But it's all right. It's all right. I made it home safe, and I'm on my comfy camouflaged couch. Could be a bunch of dead bodies under there I'm sitting on. You don't know that. I shouldn't have said that. It's a joke, people. Anyway, I hope everybody had a great Monday. Just obstacles. That's all I'm going to say. Obstacles. So I've got other stuff going on, so I got to make this short and sweet. I did find an article. It says it's a 1-minute read, and it's something that's going to happen over Pennsylvania. So if you live in Pennsylvania and you watch my channel, you might want to check out your news. And this is what I found. It says a helicopter to spray thick brown liquid over Pennsylvania. This actually, I guess, was posted 2 hours ago. The story is by George Stockberg. So let's see what are they spraying? I hope it's not Biden's poop. All right. It's in York, Pennsylvania. A helicopter will be flying across Pennsylvania communities on Monday, conducting spraying for flies. What? The York County Office of Emergency Management says Helicopter Applicators, Inc. will be dispersing Vectibac 12AS, a bacterial larvicide for black fly gnats suppression. That just sounds nasty. Do you guys have are black fly? Are they that bad in Pennsylvania? I'm lost for words on that one. Vectibac 12AS is not a chemical and is a thick brown liquid resembling chocolate milk. The Office of Emergency Management says Vectibac 12AS is a BTI product, which stands for, like I can say that, Bacillus thuringiensis for Israelia. I'm coming back. No, I don't know what the hell that is. Have to look that shit up. Anyway, and it's the only product used in Pennsylvania's waterways for black fly suppression. So they must have a black fry. It's a black fry. I can't talk. Black fly suppression. So they must have problems with flies. Mosquito population is growing. West Nile virus is spreading. You may see the helicopter in areas including York near creeks with a tail number of N651HA. It will be flying low near treetops and releasing the Vectibac and predetermined locations on creeks. This spraying began at 7 a.m. on Monday or this morning. So that's all they're saying. That's really, really weird. I've never been to Virginia. I don't know if anybody, like I said, watches my channel. They live in Virginia. I mean, is the black fly problem that bad? And they're literally spraying something that's kind of like chocolate milk. Okay, hope there's nobody out there camping when they start spraying this shit. But anyway, it is. I don't know if is Virginia on the same timeline as we are. Do you know? Well, if Virginia's on the same timeline as we are, it's 5:16, so they may almost be done spraying. I don't know. But that article caught my eye, and I thought it would share it with you guys. So that was my spam report for Pennsylvania. I don't know. That's just weird. Anyway, this is Wolfang. I hope everybody has a great Monday. Great Monday evening. Blessed be, stay safe, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.